basically, most people don't even know what the Coriolis effect even is. They think that it has something to do with making where bullets have a certain drift north of the equator in one direction, and then they got another drift south of the equator in another in the other direction. But the truth is that the Coriolis effect is it's not real at all. It's just fake. So this video, oh, and also it also causes airplanes. You know, they say that airplane pilots have to adjust for the Coriolis effect and that sort of thing. And what is the Coriolis effect? The Coriolis effect actually is what causes whirlpools, hurricanes to twist in one direction north of the equator, whirlpools to twist in another direction south of the equator. And you're probably wondering why I'm showing you this video. Well, if you haven't figured it out yet, this is featuring some whirlpools. So the point is that people try to use the Coriolis effect to prove that the Earth is spinning. Okay, so it's the cause is the Earth spin. The Earth spins. The effect is the Coriolis effect, which causes water to twirl or spin in one direction whenever it's draining. So, oh boy, this is oftentimes hard to convey to people. But it affects airplanes, it affects bullets. That's the official story. The official story is, you know, people who are sharpshooters and snipers, they have to, and long distance, people who shoot long distances, you know, such as snipers, sometimes they have to shoot as much as over a mile away, be a mile away from the target, and they have to adjust. They supposedly have to adjust for the Coriolis effect. So airplane. This also affects airplane. Anything that's not attached to the ground. The Earth is spinning underneath the object, and therefore the flying object has to make adjustments for the position of the Earth up under it. So anyways, and this is one of the features of the Coriolis effect, the whirlpools. Okay, so let's get to the main point. I've already been talking for 3 minutes. This video that I'm showing you debunks the Coriolis effect. Absolutely. See the whirlpools there? 2 of them are spinning in one direction, and you have a third whirlpool right there, that one, and it's spinning in the complete opposite direction. So, look at that. See the direction that whirlpool is spinning in? Now we're panning over. This direction is spinning in the opposite direction. And this whirlpool is spinning in this... there's 2 of the whirlpools that are spinning in the same direction. But the third whirlpool, all the way over to the right, and we're about to pan back over to that one, is spinning in the opposite direction. This is completely natural. This is something that's unmanipulated, and it's not manipulated by anybody. Nobody's causing this to happen. This is something that happened completely naturally. According to the Coriolis effect, those whirlpools that are north of the equator, this was all happening in Los Angeles. Let me read the description. It says, after recent storms, strange swirls have appeared in the desert of Las Vegas, United States. See more. And, okay, wait. See more. See more. Okay. So this is happening in Las Vegas, United States. Most likely an underground ravine which is being filled. Okay? So what they don't realize, this is like this is from who shared this? Extreme Weather. Okay, so these guys are sharing this, and they're like saying, hey, cool, look at these whirlpools. It's all sinking underneath the ground. Dubba-dubba-dub. Okay? And they don't realize that they are debunking the Coreolis effect with this video. The Coreolis effect states that all natural whirlpools should be spinning in the same direction, north of the equator. As long as it's unmanipulated. And these whirlpools are clearly unmanipulated. Look at the direction that one's going. That one's spinning left to right. These are spinning right to left. That one's spinning right to left. I don't know, depending on how you look at it. That one could be spinning left to right, the other one could be spinning right to left. I'm just looking at it, I'm seeing right to left spin. That one has... Anyways. So the point of these videos, it debunks the Coreolis effect. Absolutely. And this is an official source, Extreme Weather. That's what the Facebook page is called. It debunks the Coreolis effect. What more needs to be said? What more needs to be said? Now, I remind you, the Coreolis effect is the motion of the Earth taking place underneath the atmosphere. It's what causes these whirlpools to go in the direction that they're going. That's the official story. It affects bullets in the air because the Earth is spinning underneath the bullet. And it affects airplanes because the Earth is spinning underneath the airplane. Those are the official stories. However, they aren't true. It's just all fake. There is no Coreolis effect. Coreolis effect does not exist because the Earth is not spinning. They lied to us. NASA lied. Our scientists, from the beginning, they lied to us. Our Earth is not spinning. The Earth is obviously and observably stationary. It's not orbiting the sun either. Okay, that video's long enough. G-Man out.